There is no way these bees will survive the coming temperatures in this box. It's very thin plywood. It's one of my swarm boxes. So I'm going to put on some cedar boards and then wrap the cedar board in vapor barrier. Thomas Seeley was talking about Darwinian beekeeping, which is pretty much like natural beekeeping, allowing the bees just to be bees and not treating them or feeding them, which is really where I'm at with my log hives. I love the reaction that I get from people when I drop off a log and install the bees, when their common feedback has been that they're motivated to be more in the garden now because they have life flying around them. They get a lot of joy out of watching the bees coming back and forth from foraging. Got too cold, so I got myself some beans. Lovely. And vital ingredients, tapatio. Yes. It's a good breakfast. So I continue to donate these log hives for free, and but you know the process is actually very expensive. We've got equipment, tools, time, and also the bees. And I calculated that it's roughly around $800 per log hive, and I'm hoping that if you're interested, you would like to be part of the Patreon program at patreon.com/18bees, where you can make small donations to help cover the cost of this. I'm going to continue to donate the log hives regardless, but every little helps, and if you can do that, that will be great. Again, it's like to see people's faces light up when they have these logs in their garden. It's just worth all the effort. Anyway, thank you. One thing that you can do to help is if you can like the video, subscribe to my channel, and even forward the video. All of that will help promote 18 Bees and donating these log hives with bees. Thank you for all your support and your kind words. And if you have any questions, just put them down here in the comments section. There you go, girls. Hopefully you enjoy a little bit more heat in here. I'm going to wrap this in some vapor barrier. But first I'm going to finish my beans.